What's up, everybody? It's your boy BK at bkbangers.com. Welcome to Guitar Center, and I'm doing this video for Sweetwater and Akai because they've been telling me that I'm bugging. My setup is this, my setup is that. But I'm here to prove that you guys are incorrect and you guys were selling products that was malfunctioned. The early releases of the hardware, the MPC Live and MPC X, was malfunctioned, and you guys do not want to admit it, and you're making me and other people feel crazy because the way that you guys are talking is that like we're inexperienced. I'm not inexperienced, and I'm not Boo Boo the Fool. Okay, so this is my MacBook from home, same setup minus my MPC Live. And when I get back home, I will recreate the setup again. But here you go. This is the USB cord, the Myo, right? This is the MPC Live, the display version, plugged in via MIDI, the MIDI ports, right? Now, that's the MPC Live. This is my MacBook. I'm going to press the space bar. You may or may not hear this, but look. Okay? Stop. It doesn't even want to stop because it's being controlled by my laptop. Now tell me I'm bugging. Tell me I'm bugging now. Alright? So I'm going to recreate this setup when I get home, and I'm going to email this to you, and I will be looking for a refund or a replacement ASAP. Thank you. Also, the settings that was here in the display box in Guitar Center is MIDI time code, receive NMC, or MMC, sorry, and MIDI time code, send MMC. That's all the setup is. It's not rocket science. Come on, Sweetwater. Come on, Akai. Y'all got to do something. All right, so now I'm back home. This is my MPC Live setup right here. Same MIDI out, MIDI in function. Same MIDI time code selection. This is Studio One. Same setup, right? Same Myo situation, same setup, okay? I press the space bar, nothing's being played. Nothing's being played. You say, okay, well, there's no track there. All right, so I put a track there. Here we go. You can't hear it, but it's definitely being played, okay? It's definitely being played, all right? Press the space bar, no play. Space bar, no play. Same MIDI IO setup, pardon the mess on the floor, I have children. Same MIDI IO setup, okay? It's the box. It's not my computer. It's not it's none of these things. It is the box. All right, so Sweetwater, Akai, I need this situation to be handled by the end of this week right here. Today's Monday, New Year's Eve. I would appreciate this situation being remedied by the end of this week. All right, thank you.